The Redmi Note series has been around for 11 years now. For a long time, it was the default recommendation. Ask anyone what phone to buy under a budget, and the answer was usually a Redmi Note phone. But let's be honest, over the last couple of years, the competition has really gone wild. We are recording this a day before the Redmi Note 15 launches in India, and on paper, this phone is doing some very un-Note-like things. So here's your first look at the Redmi Note 15, what feels good, and whether Redmi is actually back in form. But before we go ahead, a quick look inside the box first. Thankfully, Xiaomi hasn't gone full flagship mode here. You still get 45-watt charger in the box, a USB Type-C cable, and a basic protective case. No buy the charger separately nonsense. It's a good start. Okay, this phone feels slim, like noticeably slim. Redmi says this is the slimmest Note ever at 7.35 mm, and yeah, you can feel it immediately. It comes in 3 colors, blue, black and purple. It doesn't feel bulky or top heavy. Now an obvious question would be that does slim mean fragile? Redmi is clearly aware of that concern. The Note 15 comes with an IP66 rating, which is a big step up from the usual splash protection that we see here. It has also been tested against the military standard methods and has reinforced internals. In hand, it actually feels more dense, more premium than earlier Notes for sure. Up front, you're looking at a curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Specs wise, this is genuinely strong. Peak brightness goes all the way up to 3200 nits. So visibility shouldn't be a problem even under harsh sunlight. You also get Wet Touch 2.0, which actually helps when your hands are sweaty or it's raining. The bezels are thin, the symmetry looks clean, and it looks perfect for content consumption. And it looks perfect for watching some films or TV shows. Alright, let's talk camera. The Note 15 debuts with the Samsung ISOCELL HM9 sensor, and Xiaomi calls it the 108 megapixel master pixel sensor, and it comes with OIS. The second camera you get is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and you also get a 4K video recording option with OIS, which isn't guaranteed in this segment. There's a 20 megapixel selfie camera on the front as well, which could be the same sensor from the Note 14 from last year. Overall, detailed images is clearly the focus here. The high resolution main camera allows for a 3x in sensor zoom that's surprisingly clean, especially useful for portraits. This isn't a full verdict yet, but first impressions look promising, especially for people who rely on the main camera a lot. Inside, the Note 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset that's pushing over 850K on Antutu. Redmi claims around a 30% jump in multitasking compared to last generation. It ships with Android 15 and HyperOS 2 out of the box, but more importantly, Redmi is promising 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates. And that's massive for a Note series phone, and you're basically covered till Android 19. It's also AI ready with Google Gemini and Circle to Search built in. As for bloatware, there are some pre-installed apps, but most of them are removable. We'll dig deeper in our full review. Now, battery-wise, this phone packs a 5520 mAh silicon carbon battery. You get 45-watt charging, which is decent, but the battery longevity is rated for 1600 cycles, which means roughly 5 years of use. And yes, it has all the fan favorites. Dual stereo speakers with 300% volume boost, IR blaster, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. So by the time you'll watch this video, the Redmi Note 15 would already be launched and you'd know the price. But since I don't know the price right now, I can only tell you my initial impressions. Compared to the Redmi Note 14, you're moving from a 50 megapixel main sensor limited to 1080p video to a new 108 megapixel Samsung HM9 sensor with OIS and 4K video, which alone changes how flexible the phone feels for photography and video. While the Note 14 already had a good AMOLED display, the Note 15 adds a curved panel and jumps from 2100 nits to a massive 3200 nits, making outdoor visibility noticeably better. Performance also sees a generational jump from the Dimensity 7025 Ultra to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which is expected to offer a sizable boost in multitasking and sustained performance. Battery capacity has also increased slightly, but but pricing will decide everything. If Xiaomi gets that part right, this could easily become one of the strongest Note launches in recent years. My guess is that the Note 15 will start at around 22,999 for the base variant, but we'll only know tomorrow if my guess was on point. Tell me in the comments at what price do you think the Note 15 makes a really good option, and which phone should I compare it with for the full review. Thank you for watching.